So let's quickly do our face. My skin is already prepped and primed. I am just going to apply the foundation. Now I'm using Fruit Pristine Face Contouring Palette to contour my face. Morphe AW Palette Contouring. My flash sequins palette from Sephora to do my eyes. I'm using the same eyeshadow of Pist which I use for my lid as my highlight. I'm going to link down this mascara. This is an amazing mascara and very affordable price. This is only for 600 rupees. Can you guys see the difference? This lip liner is from Rivage Cosmetics. As you can see, it's my favorite lip liner. Lastly, I'm using Bullet Lipstick from Zay Beauty. This is in shade Pistol. This is a very wearable, daily wearable lip color. See? This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any comments or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Take care, bye bye.